Hey, everybody.
Okay, guys, so Summer and I are getting ready to make our very own snow globe.
And snowstorm.
I'm sorry, snowstorm. So we got this fun activity off of Ryan's World on YouTube. So we're just excited to see how our own snowstorm is going to go. Say hi, Summer.
Hi, guys. You want to see some sorted?
Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do, Summer, is we're going to pour our baby oil into our container.
Okay.
Let Mommy know if you need some assistance opening that up.
I can hold it.
Sure. There you go. And we're just going to pour it all into that big container. Okay, excellent job,
It has
Summer.
to be right there.
Yeah, we're going to go for right here. So, we're going to go ahead and get the next container.
Mommy, it's the same thing.
We're not going to wait.
Well, come on, do the other baby oil.
Okay, and the word after you ask is what? Thank you very much. So go ahead. All right, Summer's doing a great job pouring that baby oil. So our last one.
The baby oil is the last one.
Yes, the last one.
So guys, this is going to be a very good brainstorm. It has to be right here on this edge.
Yes, very good.
Now
So let's see, this one might be a little bit harder. That okay? That's okay, because we have something to fix that with.
Okay.
Very good, Summer. So, you know, baby oil is very greasy, but it's very good for the skin.
It has to be all the way up to there. So we're going to put some water in it.
Not yet, Bunny. That's for a separate one. So now what we're going to do
And put this in.
is we're going to take our glue and we're going to put it in this bowl. We're going to do some
Let's just put
squirts.
water in there first.
Yes, we're going to, well, you put the glue in there, then we put the water. And then we're going to mix it.
Okay. With the mixer, Mommy. Get the mixer. Okay. Don't worry, guys. It's just a little bit complicated over here.
It's not complicated. You got it.
All
All right, Mommy has it. So Mommy's going to help Summer really quick so she can get this glue out. Since it's not working. There we go. Okay, and then Summer's going to squirt some glue inside. Just squeeze, Bunny.
This is hard to squeeze.
There we go. We're going to put some more squeezes in there.
More squeezes.
More squeeze. Squeeze a little bit more, Summer.
Okay.
And all we're using is acrylic glue. We got this from the 99-cent store, the big 99-cent store.
There.
All right. And then that's all we're going to use. And we're going to put our top back on it. And Summer's going to go ahead and put the water in. All right. Very good. That's enough water. Thank you so much. And now Summer's going to get her spoon. We're not. And she's going to mix that glue up for us. So thank you so much, Summer. Once you get through mixing that up, go ahead and let Mommy know when you're done.
Can we put my dolls in too?
We're going to put them in just a moment.
I have LOL dolls.
Summer is using her LOL dolls. LOL, yay! Okay. We're also celebrating Virtual Spirit Week with Summer School. What school do you attend, Summer?
Summer,
No.
Harmony,
Harmony?
Harmony Homeschool, and Mommy Summer School.
Yes, we're celebrating Mommy Homeschooling, but we're also celebrating Harmony School of Excellence Virtual Spirit Week. So we both have our team shirts on. I have my Astro shirt on, and Summer has her Texan shirt on. So go Harmony School of Excellence. Now, Summer, what I would like for you to do, go ahead and wipe your hands off. It's okay. Go ahead. Very good. It's okay. It's okay. Go ahead and add your glitter to, or your sprinkles.
Mom, can I wash my hands for a minute?
Yes. Summer needs to go and wash her hands for a
I'll be
moment.
right back, guys.
She says she'll be right back. While she's gone, I'm going to put some sprinkles in here. Ooh, looks good. Love it. So these
Did I
are
mix all the excitement?
actually cooking sprinkles. I couldn't find glue.
Did I mix all the excitement?
You did not miss all of the excitement. So, Summer, what we're going to go ahead and do now is we're going to pour
Can I do it, please?
this inside. You sure can. I made sure that I covered the table. I'm going to pour that on inside of there.
Oh, it looks like a little big. Mike, can I put my
Yeah,
dolls
so I'm
in
going
there?
to put the rest of that glue in there.
Mike, can I put my dolls in there, please?
Summer can go ahead and put her dolls inside. Summer's putting her dolls inside to the LOL, and oh wow, look at the fizz that's coming. Mommy's gonna also put in some glitter glue, just a little bit, just to make it shine and be pretty and gorgeous the way we want it to be, because it's frozen. So I'm just putting a little of that in there. We didn't have regular glue, so we're just using glitter glue. Now we're going to go ahead and get our food coloring, Summer. Here you go. Summer loves playing in water, so we're excited. Oh, look at those LOLs in there. They look amazing. Okay, thank you so much, Summer. Get your hands out of the water.
Oh, okay.
All right, so what we're going to go ahead and do now is Summer's going to put a tad bit of food coloring inside.
Yes, everybody, we're going to put food coloring. Now, where's the food coloring?
Food coloring is right here. We just need one drop.
Well, can I do one drop, please?
Yes, you are. You are going to be able to do one drop. Okay. All right. There you go. One drop. There you go. That's it. We just did one drop of our food coloring. Mixing it up.
No, my
Okay. Oh, wow. Look, it's blue now. Now for the fun part, to create our globe. You're supposed to use Alka-Seltzer. However, because our purchase was from the dollar store, we were able to find effervescent antacid, which is just like Alka-Seltzers. So we're going to take 2 of these. I'm going to get Summer to go ahead and dry her hands off so that we can break this up. Okay, Summer, turn around. Give me your hands, please.
Sorry, I'm very sorry about that.
No, it's quite all right. You're doing such an excellent job being my little science person today. Fist bump. Fist bump. Pow. Pow.
Pow, pow,
Pow, pow, pow, pow, pow, pow. Okay, so now, Summer, I need you to break these up for Mommy.
Which one? Oh, thank you. That's very nice.
You're welcome. Okay. So we're going to put this on the table, and although we're making a mess here and doing a great experiment, I still make sure I just covered the table with an old trash bag. Oh, a really large trash bag, so that none of that would get on the table. So we're just basically taking the antacid drops. Put those back in there, please. Thank you. I just dried your hands off. Now we have to do that again.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. Here, turn around, please.
I just want my dogs to have fun.
I know. I want them to have fun too. But let's go ahead and make sure that they can have fun once we have the globe ready, okay?
Oh, Mommy,
Okay.
might smell my hands.
Smells nice. Look at Summer. So now we're just going to take our Alka-Seltzer drops and we're just breaking them up into little pieces. So Summer's going to break her own. I'm going to give her another pack. Remember, these are just antacid drops.
Yeah, they won't bite you, don't they?
They're not going to bite yet. I'm going to use one more. I'll keep one just in case we have someone who comes over that really does have heartburn while we're using them for our experiment. Okay, so we broke those up. And after,
now we put them in.
And so Summer's now ready to put them in. So go ahead and drop them inside.
Let's put them all.
And Summer's just going to drop them all inside. And wow, look at that. Look at that. Look at the globe. Look
Mommy,
at the snow. Very good. We love
Mommy,
it.
can I have scissors?
Huh?
Can I play with my dogs?
Yes. It looks amazing. So we actually did.
And the baby.
Wow, look at that, Summer. That looks amazing. We did such a great job. I'm so glad that the science experiment came out. Mom by nature is not a science person.
Excuse me. do you have any words to say with me? Because I am getting back in the water.
Okay, so that is exciting. Summer has concluded her first, this is our first science experiment for
Let me get my dolls out.
today. We'll be back tomorrow for our next one. This was just basically our STEM experience today. We also have a science lab that we're going to do later on where we're going to be making a rainbow with Skittles. So we may go ahead and record that. Summer, did you have anything else you wanted to say? Because that looks amazing.
Well, our dog needs to say something.
Summer wants her doll to say something.
Okay, this thing is...
So Summer's enjoying.
It's our other doll. She needs something.
They look amazing. Look at that snow globe.
Hey, wait, stop.
It looks awesome.
Stop 1 minute. You don't need to say any more words. Because this is fun.
She just loves her experience. Okay, so say bye, Summer.
Bye. Have a good day.
All right, and we are stopping.